everybody, I'm sorry if this is a very confusing video. So basically, I am here to show you how I create my characters. And I love Five Nights at Freddy's, so you can do whatever characters you want. But I usually have Freddy and Mask on because I know that he's like Foxy and Freddy aren't as torn up as Bonnie and Chica. I'm not sure this is rude at all. I'm just only doing it because he was the original, well not the very first original because of Fred Bear and but he's basically the original for a game, so I decided why not. So I've basically been doing that, but here's his eyes if you wanted to see them, even though we already showed them. But anyways, I'm just using normal things, making them depressed, withered, not super depressed, just depressed word because they think that they might not get fixed. And a lot of people say that they ship Bonnie and Chica. I do too. I just kind of felt bad for Freddy, so I say, why not ship Toy Chica and Freddy, but Toy Bonnie? Well, I thought that he would be, I thought that he would have a crush on Mangle, but Mangle likes Foxy. It might be really confusing, so it won't be sad for Toy Bonnie. So that's basically what I've been doing, so everybody actually has a rush. But, I've just been creating my characters. This is so confusing. I'm going to, go ahead and just be creating my characters. You can watch if you want, or you don't have to, but, the hairstyle I use for Mangle is I use, her bangs. Might be hard to find, but they are right here. And then if she moves her hair, then I might use this one. Or just that. But, she's just a normal person. I just might use this now. She's just shy person this. And I might change my new profile picture to Mangle because she's my favorite. Even though I might not sound like a very good FNAF fan. I know all about the After family, and all about the Sister Cushion, and all about Elizabeth and Babe Circus Baby. I know all about Michelle killing his brother. So, I'm a big fan. And I know it sounds like I only know about FNAF 1 and FNAF 2, and I just like Mangle, and I think that they're just normal generics, but really, I just really like Mangle because she's a different kind of person that's different, Just like Innard, basically. He's my second favorite, and Circus Baby too. It's really hard to get the Innard plush. But I thought about it, and my idea, instead of using the, I use these gloves, and I make them blue and red because they are, I forget what they're called, I'm sorry. But this is just how they work. They're all depressed, and they just, So I'm going to make it to where he is blushing, and we might actually do a video. Not like a video on here, but like pretending about making a video. Just because I'm bored and I'm on PC. The PC editing apps I use are, Video Editor, and Cyberlink Power Director, and sometimes, where is it? It's hard to find. This app right here, Ice Cream Screenshot Maker. So, Oh wait, no, I did the wrong one! No! Oh, dang it. Why am I doing that? I meant to do Freddy, not to Freddy. I know that usually a lot of people make Toy Chica a bully, but I thought since if she was a bully, then why would Freddy like Toy Chica? And I want Toy Chica to actually have a crush on somebody, so she's not gonna be a bully. She's gonna be a girl. So she's just gonna be a little girl that was nice, and then she got the animatronic suit, and now she looks like this. But I guess you could say that she changed herself to where she doesn't look as really, really pretty, but just a normal pretty girl. So she might do some poses that look like she's small like this, but I'm really trying my best to not make it to my super long. I'm just gonna take these away. I only had these on for some weird reason. And I thought that maybe she would have been older, but I was like, no. So here we are making Mango. So you can talk to Mango since she's not more like Mango. And we're gonna make it to where he's just talking to, I guess, Bonnie. Let's make it to where Bonnie's not depressed. Make those normal eyes. I sometimes use his eyes, but not too much because, you know. So they're not as depressed anymore, maybe just a tiny bit, but, you know. He's just gonna be normal. And here we go. I'm only making them because he has never really got a crush before, I guess. I think he just commented, but I don't really know. Okay, anyways, people, I'm going to make this, so we go to studio, and we're gonna remove all the characters, like this. Oh, I might change Toy Freddy's face, because it looks like he's pushing at somebody. I don't know, the only person I don't know who to ship with yet is Toy Freddy. I might ship him with Toy Bonnie, but Toy Bonnie likes Mango, so it's a little confusing. So I might make it like this. Freddy likes Toy Chica. Bonnie might like, oh yeah, obviously, Freddy and Toy Chica, Bonnie, Chica, Foxy, Mango, Toy Bonnie likes Mango, and Toy Freddy and Toy Bonnie, which are the only ones that I like that are guy. I'm really trying my best here. So we'll make it to where they're not on the stage, because they're not always having to be on the stage. I'm going to make it to where they look small, so he's just standing over here looking at Toy Bonnie and talking to Bonnie. Oh wait, we need to make his size smaller. They're both bunnies. Why don't they look like they're brothers, kinda? I mean, possibly. Brothers from another, whatever it's called. And then Foxy is just sitting right. Foxy's standing behind Mango, which is Mango sitting right beside him like this. And Toy Chica talking like this. I might have to. Okay, there might be a little too much space in here. I think I need to shrink these two right here. I mean, all of these actually, probably. Definitely Mango. And we will move them real quick. Yeah, we're gonna scoot him over here. And him. And we're gonna. I have an idea. I have the best idea ever. I would do is I would either use Snippet Sketch to stick a screenshot of this, or I would just use the recorder I am using right now and just keep pausing the video and make it to where the video that's being paused, and and adding music to it. So then after I get that screenshot, I would change their faces, and well, I guess that's really it. If you want to know how to do it on a PC, just take maybe the app I'm using, Screencast-O-Matic, pause the video, change the characters, and keep doing that. Or use whatever app you use. But that's it for today, and I will see you guys later. Bye!